Ang ganda mo, Carmen. Hi.
Long time no see. Opposite Carmen.
I went home and I came back again.
Carmen, ang payat mo.
No, I put on weight already.
After eating all the food that you eat with Elaine.
Oh, yeah. I
Came back out.
I haven't worked out in many months. Hurt myself.
Yung ano mo yan?
Yeah. So I have to sort of take it easy. But I always eat. I will be like kind of instant like Gary. Very soon.
It's okay. You still look great.
So how long are you gonna stay here for?
No TV.
No TV.
No TV.
No, it's so short. They usually adjust to how much time I'm here, not the other way around. For example, if I'm here, the last time I was here longer, right? Yeah. Birthday. So I did showtime, and then they asked me if I could stay another week, and they asked me if I could stay another week. I said I can't anymore. So that's why it depends on how long I'm here.
That's last October, right?
Yeah, that's like, so it really depends on how long. Like now, if I were to do showtime, there's no point because it's just you're just gonna do the other. Yeah, it's really coincidental that it's the same time. Yeah, it's not work. It's not all like something. I've known them for a long time. No, Teresa, there. Andy is helping as Malaysian ambassador site on her capacity as one. And I believe I founded by Roger Reza. Yeah, he's the one who's here. And the designers are all my friends. So it actually coincides with my trip. If it is
Coincide with mine too.
yes,
So lucky.
if it is a week later, then I will not be able to do it. Yeah, so it's not work.
Carmen, your next project is in Malaysia na?
I was supposed to do something in Singapore now, but I can't because I hurt my ankle.
What happened?
I hurt it many times there.
I'm a physical therapist because I have just no sleep.
I sprained it.
Just sprained it.
Loose ligament.
So are you
Hindi pa ba Marlita?
No, the doctor said I can't do that.
Ito lalaban itong bag ko. Me too.
They said this to me, and everybody in Florida is asking me, "Is this your daughter?" I said, "No."
What was this, the interview. Chat. Yeah,
Chat, live chat.
They said this to me, and everybody said, "Is she your daughter?" I said, "No."
Carmen Milu. Speaking of Malaysia, you can see the word. The photo. It's like the little one. Oh, that one. But
What's that? Yeah, I don't have your
I don't want to watch it because
Singapore. You were there?
Yeah.
Season 1.
This is season 1.
That's the download that time.
Is season 2 already? I did Singapore. This is Singapore. I think it's
All the cell phone
it might
Me too.
You have
TV kayo, TV. Parang papasign?
Really? Yes.
There you go.
Me too. Me too. Me free. Me four. Me four. Me four.
So yung very much really.
Nice new hairstyle, Carmen. The bangs.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait Okay lang, sige.
Galing na ng Tagalog mo, Carmen. Yatilong mo.
That few words.
Kita ba din? Payat ka talaga, payat. Payat. Payat.
Bubble said, "Please tell Carmen I say yes, that's like they called me at like 3:45 in the morning, called me from California to go to Manila. Go Ultimate lang. Okay.
So worth it.
I do not deprive myself of food ever.
Good
Good.
Good for you. Good for you.
Yes. Okay.
Carmen, you want chocolate?
Okay. Oh yeah.
The complicated kissing, Carmen, remember?
You could just Rick and Karen. It's like my name. Prefer Casey.
Okay. Right again.
Patay na sila para ma... What? Yeah, my dinner. I ate one already.
So until when you're gonna be here, Carmen?
Just a few more days.
Just only a few more days. After the fashion con.
20 years. 20 years.
So why is it that you don't come back?
Complicated. I was disabled 10 years ago. So I had surgery and everything, so I stayed there for another 10 years and then decided to come back. Yeah, I went to the States in 91.
So is that why you're a physical therapist?
Yeah, I was a physical therapist. Then I hurt myself lifting all those big American guys. I used to be like 98 pounds then. I had to lift them up and give them therapy and stuff. That's why the disc on my vertebrae, between the vertebrae, was pushing on my spinal cord. So they had to take it out with the bone from a cadaver. I was the bone from a cadaver, from a dead person. So they have to implant it in between my vertebrae. Put a titanium plate and 8 screws.
So you weren't able to walk.
Yeah, I can't do it.
There's a remote there. The remote there.
They call me the bionic woman because the first I think first patient that they did 4 levels. So it was so from you, but you can hardly tell.
How long did it take for you to be able to walk?
I was in the hospital only for 2 days. I asked them to discharge me after 2 days. Because the second night, the fire alarm went off. And I told my roommate, get me up because I think the building is on fire. On fire. After that, I told the doctor, I'm going home and physical therapist. I know what to do, so he said, go home. But I was able to.
After how long you can
Probably 6 months. But after that, then my back started hurting. It's just like the whole spine is down.
So how do you do physical therapy now?
I stopped 10 years ago when I had the surgery. I stopped totally disabled. In the States, you cannot do your job. Your occupation, you're deemed disabled. So
And is there insurance and stuff like that? That's good.
So I was able to get private insurance insuring my occupation. And then the government was giving me also pensions. So I have 2 checks coming in. So I decided, well, I'll just go home and save 1 check instead of spending it here and, doing nothing. Watching cartoons like this. Earth and Glass song that I watched. At PFC for 10 years, I've never watched it. So only one.
But a few of the newer ones are actually quite nice. I never follow because I don't have TSC. But there's some like Tata did I think I saw a little bit of it. It seems quite nice. But I don't understand it.
Yeah, but my roommate is from Puerto Rico and you have to fight all the time at 5 o'clock because when you fight something big in the air. And she would say, tell me what's going on. And I said, can you be shut up? I need to watch it. And so I found out that I can watch it in advance on YouTube. So I watch it. Yeah, and then at 5 o'clock when she comes home, she said, no clients after 5 for me. Because she's a therapist and a massage therapist. She said, no clients after 5. I said, why? Because I'm watching 5 things like this. Okay, that's fine. She came here with me, but you weren't here yet. We didn't know she left the 12. She said, oh, Miss Carmen, I won't be able to see her and Echo and everybody. And your sister lost.
It's 4 years already.
We haven't watched any. And so since December 12, 2008, I remember the last episode, December 12, 2008. Wow. After that,
Sado.
Korean novela. That's what I watched.
You guys are great. You guys have been
Recommend.
all this time. It's been
4 years?
4 years, yeah.
Pindutin ka ba?
How should go back my plate? You see, you get me. Funny place going in Chinatown, right? All of a sudden, any more questions? Any more questions? Press good.
Everybody starstruck.
Daddy told me so many times already.
That's always the
They were all first time.
They're all nervous. He said, wait a minute, this is I'm the one who hasn't seen her for the, you know. And everybody's nervous.
Chacha? Hello, madam.
But I think
Hello, madam. Andito si ano, andito kami kay Carmen, nandito kami sa hotel. Ito sarapan namin.
the weather.
Ha?
Yeah, because you tweeted yesterday, I think it was raining. It's
Andito
cold.
sa hotel nga sa
So my mother said,
Andito kami sa hotel.
how did
sa
you
Binondo,
know that
andito
it's
si
raining in
Carmen.
Manila?
Sarapan
I said,
namin.
Carmen tweeted it.
Oo, andito siya. Sa shooting niya, pero wala, nandito kami sa hotel. Oo. Nandito.
Picture?
Oh, andito nga, sarapan namin.
Sino na picture?